The very first thing to do is to create an author user. So in the users table, click Add Row and fill the following fields. Username, author username. It's of your choice, so this is just an example. You can type John Doe, Brad Pitt, whatever it is. A password, an email, author@gmail.com, whatever it will be. Full name, author name, like Brad Pitt, Johnny Depp, whatever you want. Then just scroll down to the social links field. If your author has any social networks links like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, whatever, you can paste them here and separate them by comma, no spaces, like this: https twitter.com/author is his username, comma, https instagram.com/author, again, /https tumblr.com/author, and so on, for as many. This app supports Medium, Twitch, Tumblr, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and other stuff. You can read the documentation to see how many popular social networks this application supports. Then click Save, and you just created your author. Why did you do that? Because then you have to copy its ID. Then you go to the News table, click Add Row, and scroll down to the author pointer in order to paste the copied ID. So you will assign this news to this user you just created, okay? And you will use the same ID for all the news you want to assign to this author. Then, HTML code. I suggest you to use an HTML editor like this one, htmleditor.io. It's free, it's pretty easy to use, so you can write your article in an HTML style, and once you wrote your article, inserted images too, no videos because they are not supported by the web view, you can go here and copy the whole HTML code generated from the app. Go back to your database, simply paste it, and go on. Assign a title to your news. Title for my news. Okay. Then you have to assign an image. Choose file, and let's assign whatever it is, this one. Okay. Then category, world, or whatever it is, maybe also music, tech, whatever it is, technology. And then that's it. Save, and you created your news. You will refresh the home screen of the XSNews app, and you will see this news. So do the same thing for all the news you want to assign to this user, author username. So add row, again, paste your HTML code, type a title, upload an image, paste the pointer, so the ID of that user, and click Save. And that's it.